Ahuofe Patricia.
Felicia.
Odobroni akwaba.
I'm so happy to see you.
Oh. Mr. Sa.
Well done.
Thank you. I mean, Shamun Namoka home. And the mania kunyatana.
Amen.
Amen. AJ Tunes.
Hi, gorgeous.
Hey! It's here for. And then Monday, media shada can be a gorgeous. What I say. Odobroni akwaba.
Yeah, you're beautiful actually.
Oh, thank you so much. Also, one for pound.
Thank you so much.
When you make up on pony, you make up the instrument. Hey, Onua. Welcome to Onua.
Thank you so much.
And the Bibiana conversation I come now do near to two Johnny idea. Maybe calling a girl be at the neighbor coffee any idea.
Crash now to mention just
Hey, Bray,
yes,
I could call Drony.
bye.
You are brave, I like that.
Thank you.
I'm Patricia.
Felicia.
You're saying.
Nyamia dum se nyame wo ho enkwan de yesi wo ho.
You're there are there say. Ukofa catch us on Ahuofe.
Mete.
Omo did you know because of your looks and I said it just came up.
Actually, didn't Calibus na the mommy.
Oh.
And I think probably that played a role.
One of them was certain also.
Yeah. I don't know where it came from. Midene Kappa.
Because that's what I want to do.
Yeah, well, he was my mate. In terms of now, on the need a phone, I show me actually.
No, Pewana.
Debbie, yeah, classmates.
No, your classmate.
Yeah.
No, Abona.
Why then?
Abong.
Debbie Calibus was the class clown. What was our boy not teach you when
They were my S3.
only lecture in Yasem? No.
Oh, wow. And you also saw him from afar.
We were friends actually, yeah, before we started shooting. But the thing is, yes, our production, the director, everybody, we're all in the same class. Yeah.
And it was a success.
It was a huge success. Like, it was mind blowing.
Now, your project to be an
Yes, that's it. As video, I once said NAFTI. And usually when you're taught in class, students want to try their hands on stuff, out of class, because you don't really get time to do the practicals.
Yes.
And our director at that time, Kofi Asamoah, not before Weber School, now he was a director. Until he had, the camera and everything. And so he just wanted to try his hands on something. He had an idea. It was like, oh, Mumbai shooting. And then the plan wasn't for it to come out. And before we realized it was out, and everybody loved it.
Moving there, Moi, I don't plan, but we have some more planning here.
It does. So, Yamisa will be more sanity.
Then Yamisa will more.
I say, when you will comedy in TikTok,
Yamisa will
yeah.
My joy. We are come in the movie, and naturally we are come.
I am.
Into oh, movie now because lady or slow, but we are slow but sure.
Don't play.
No. Because it is serious, we are too serious, but you are acting. Into a blow, how did you feel?
Oh my God, it was overwhelming in the beginning. I couldn't believe it. It actually took some time for me to actually realize that, okay, this is real. It's here to stay, so you better sit up. But I enjoyed every part of it. I'm still enjoying it. I thank God for the reception we had when we came out.
It was massive. Everywhere. Calibus channel was selling. Calibus channel.
So I'm very grateful. Yes. I'm still very grateful. Every day. And I'll probably very cry just to have an opportunity to be here, just to have an opportunity for someone like you to want to talk to me. I'm always grateful.
Oh, me them no be AJ Tunes. Me them there. Me shout. AJ Tunes. Oh, Ahuofe Patri show ni be.
Baby.
That's what I want to say.
I think I was in JHS.
No, I'm facing.
Me in the Bible school. It will be now what crash one so that now we need na unyai.
So now a very beautiful from movie.
Yes.
But not me in person.
No,
I think in person she's more beautiful.
She's
than
prettier.
Yeah.
Oh, it's true.
The one skit I watched was when Calibus acted as if the car was his.
I.
So I still even have that video.
You have oh. So you've admired her from afar,
and
finally,
she's a very nice person.
She's a nice person.
Thank you.
Into the dream about I'm sure Hannah also dream about with the music.
Yeah.
What about mentor? How was it for you?
it wasn't easy.
Ade.
Mentor no be a person just auto.
Yeah.
And I'm some person just meto. To be ato.
Obi ato.
See that and easy sir. But nyamena apeja ya made it third or mentor.
Oh.
Yeah.
Me who say the third, me say wow. But now potential, obi oba we need there. Patricia, who share not this guy has potential. Now person di first ana. Obi o no ma, o person baby. Ade.
Really?
Manya di. Now person di first.
I don't have to answer this question.
On purpose in Eddie.
Because obviously we got competition because I want to be first.
And no one can in terms of I said, well, doing the first. You didn't deserve the first.
Everybody deserved to win, but we all wanted a space in the industry. That's
So
why
what
we
I
needed
say?
the limelight.
He didn't want the first. He wanted the space.
First, and then I wanted but I didn't know there. But I don't say
You didn't deserve it.
Exactly.
How about you, yeah? What did they are doing?
I mean, there's only one place for a winner.
Yes.
And then you can always use the platform to do bigger things. So sometimes when you're DBI means you've probably been prepared for something bigger.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ubo okra ted na onya no. Sebe ne so be ban fa so okra che obi odi first no.
Exactly.
Most of the time sana ya na
That's
tie.
what
But so be ma mu.
My baby cry.
Talking about competitions.
Yes.
Also call Miss Malaika. How did they feel?
That was 11 years ago. Can you imagine?
Sisi.
Yeah, it was a wonderful experience. Debia Mecca said that was what actually, gave me the vim and then introduced me to people. Because once you have that on your CV, you get people to work with. At least then you'd be a photo shoot or something, and it really helped me create confidence. And so I need to me share any young lady be an Ahuofe. I'll tell you, go for Miss Malaika. It's a life-changing experience.
Listen, Miss Malaika, I'm for neko.
Ahuofe nye a nimpo.
Okay.
It's charisma, how you present yourself, all of that.
Into
We say who call Miss Malaika I can see
sound.
it, yeah.
I'm a catchy.
Eh.
Twin the man what the room.
So
Me camera of I'm ferry. I'm a shy person when it comes to English. Who to so money pageant be for men man.
I don't think they need it.
I think.
All the help needs to go to women. Men are okay. Me, I'm always vying for women. I don't care about men.
AJ.
Hi.
Everything for women.
Me am
Everything for the
crushing.
girls.
Sound. Girls run the world. AJ.
Yeah.
We always want the women to also be on top. I don't know why they don't want us to be on
They
top.
even enjoy us being on top.
No, but they don't enjoy. It's like a man who has money and taking care of a woman.
Yes.
But when the woman has money, he thinks I don't need a man.
Shit.
See that mindset
So you don't agree with him, Patricia?
at all.
You think a member should deserve it?
For that pageant,
You don't
no,
think
I don't think we have time for those things. And beauty, naturally, beauty there
It's
is
related
for
to
women. Them man put there on your favorite branch.
fearful,
Yeah.
and it's in the Bible, right?
Inti member who offend soon in faso.
A plus for the
Most
person.
times, I am more than you
I didn't hear. Omutrimu yo omudedo. Omo ya
and
homa
all
so.
they think about is themselves. So sorry, of association. No, you don't need that.
Inti ube ware man who Oscar.
Patron. Oh, be show me.
Why do you know my home?
And then make up for home nice.
Who sister? I have a friend who makeup artist who no.
Just on the makeup name one.
Debbie. Who wanna who? Inti marrying an ugly and rich man, you should think about your children.
Well, you see, and yeah, no crime, but and also for Asumje, no. Oh, you who should I forget nothing?
Obi ana honye for cast or how far. Announce the day. Omo mo honye for mo cast or mo tete wa. Bisa AJ. So nya say experience no. Me kan ho fast sem so nya I'm saying say omo honye fe no.
Yeah.
If they say they are bothering you in a relationship, omo join hwe ho. He has nothing to lose.
Obviously, like maybe the person has money. But if you are not really that nice and you want to treat a woman bad, you are running at a loss. Because obviously, Oba no here for change. And so
He
it's
gets
an
it.
opportunity for you to grasp.
You know, better your life.
Yeah.
You really have a crush on Ahuofe Patricia. No make be you go for it. Nice. Do you think you have a chance with her?
No, she's my mommy.
She's your mommy.
Yeah.
When this kind of will be so mommy. Well, mommy bend them.
But I get what he's
Yes,
trying to say.
I totally
Yeah,
understand.
yeah.
Do you listen to his music?
Very much. I'm a fan.
Oh, this is great.
On it.
You should be, because how do you see the music industry?
I always want to attribute everything to Nyame. I
Okay.
feel like if it's your time, it's your time. Though we have to work hard, keep going, keep doing everything. But and then Yakopon pejawa the speed and whatever. But by and still be working. Work here very soon go show working.
That's good.
Oh, so you believe in luck?
I believe in hard work and grace to keep us going. Luck, they are quite one for my own. Once a day or form. And then the way we ask for my din. Luck and then shut down the whole grace.
Performing luck.
But
Maybe
going from 100%, then
back then.
yes, but now can't pay the baby. So we shut down who be crowd from fan form maybe no.
Sir, Patricia, do you believe in luck?
Sure. No, I believe in faith and preparation. And then when it's time, you're ready. There's nothing like luck.
Sir,
You need to be prepared because you don't know when you're going to get the opportunity. Luck, dear, toa, and the we'll say a bit so, but opportunity now, but one fine year. So you have to always be prepared.
See, they did a pretty lady for that particular skit. And you're lacking it in the year.
Yeah.
She was fine.
were you there?
No, like according to the scene, they needed a very beautiful lady to do that skit. I'm sorry, her class anymore.
Hey, AJ.
What's that?
Hey, AJ. AJ, you're dancing crew. Were you there? It's true, she has the looks.
Yeah.
Before bad, no fan. Before bad,
I'm more sapiosexual, so I look through the minds. But minds no quite near you.
Okay.
You have to look pretty.
Pretty counts.
Very much. Because we do just, hey, your girl ni Charlie.
And the munyam she.
Kakra. Adrian so baby.
Adrian so baby. Yeah, kasa asem no. Female artists when our crush on aside Patricia. You should have. So that also kind of 5 day.
Is it a crush?
Yes.
Okay,
Somebody you would want to marry. You can't a
I would
crush.
want to marry.
Yes.
I don't want to marry there. No, I don't think I have one, but I have those I admire and crush. My mom say, hey, Charlie, you're fine.
You been why?
Ahuofe.
Aside that one for why?
Okra, me follow Dean, sir. Last time we dance, we were. Many times, hey, get in your mission.
Hey, AJ. Patricia. Male artists when our crush on. Aside the Ebon and Darlington, he's a nice personality.
Artist, that's musician. Can he be
Yes.
an actor?
Yes, yes.
Okay, Calibers.
Oh. Aunya, yeah.
Oh, me say, yeah, bad agreement.
When they know?
Yes, say, near chat 2 years. So, me nya me who come from, so nya who come from, yeah,
For real.
Yeah.
And I'm with Diago.
oh, there be,
Into 2024.
yeah. Well, watch out. Someone to say my warrior and Calibers are warrior. We
When
have a
they
little
know?
baby coming out, yeah.
And you know I'm very release.
Did you have
Because coming out today, so a album.
a baby,
A
a
baby.
child, yes.
I don't believe this.
You don't be okay, sir.
Santi, so when you'll be in 2024, no, so you're single by then.
Yeah,
But don't worry.
I mean, we would probably, start paying serious attention to each other. That's what
Okay.
we're saying.
Okay, he's in your plans.
We are in each other's plans,
This is nice.
right?
Because you're a nice person.
He is very
And I said,
nice.
what's that? It's not platform. So, obodi aka ho asem no obi ehia obi obeye ne sa. AJ, you have somebody like that?
Maybe I want to cancel.
And I'm cancel.
Maybe I'm not there. I mean, I'm gonna be on to now cancel.
Sound.
Yeah.
Let's say open calibers.
He's a nice person, and I feel like see, I cannot deny you know. I'd rather be with someone I know, someone who is a friend. You get, and he seems to fall into that.
So you love him 50%.
As a brother, yeah, I love him very much.
As a brother, saying you should be clear.
Yeah, as a brother, as a best friend, and that's what's important.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So when you be also tenase, one in China.
Oma sorry, and he does that.
Hey, to a potential husband. At 2024, very happy Father's Day for your children. Calibos here, chia baby from Onua 95.1. Hey, are you from? And me and my men so I started my master me MC.
Yeah, you be there, of course.
Me na me MC will be any obey MC sad and me yankasa. AJ so betonyum.
Yeah.
Pa.
You see, just a preparation.
Eguso.
Okay, we have a DJ
adopted
too.
child.
GH boy.
Yeah, DJ Darlington. Nah, Darlington, obey
On the betonyum no.
Obey best man.
But are you a nice guy?
Very.
Yes. Do you plan on furthering your movie career?
Of course. The sky is the limit. And Joby beside me say it's still caskets. I want you to an entertainer, you're an entertainer.
Yes.
So I did production. So I'm looking at probably starting my own productions very soon. So you guys should watch out.
Sure. Yami Adwuma.
Yes.
It's 2 years school year, national service. National service.
Pacho, that I'm not sick
how?
So I don't know how.
Aye, to one year internship.
I can imagine me internship.
And no man how?
No.
No move feral.
Emisa.
Yeah, no dear. Necessary for me, chairman. Yeah, no dear.
Oh, Felicia, okay, before I forget, I want to talk about the very first video of yours.
Oh, my patch.
That cracked me up, that I had no option than to do on TikTok. I don't know if you saw that video.
Yes, I saw it.
You remember the video?
Why my video is by 5%? Yes.
Okay, so the first one was Usu ko bi fie. Ono hwe ni meduane no am. And now I say send him baba ofi.
When you movie.
That video just killed me.
When you adobe dana. I want to remind you. I didn't hear.
I don't know. Maybe I'm
Me say mama bi kra de last yi de na no die. Me kwasra no no. Agyan ni si jano so na ne gas sign. E na me anka se me tro me kan ko to obi die ba me ba ya obi san ba ne se wadamfo no bedi.
Share.
Me dia kam ko to obi die no.
Is this playing?
Me be ka jane ku. Me ko to obi die abreo. Abo mama na tu adwane na huru bra wadanfo no bedi so mama meti do busa oba no why meti medi mama na sma nkwan ka me nko me ni anka matena ma adwane na bene adna mama fo ni bitisa ya na mo mpese e beba o mama ne nchen ana
ne ba ni so ba o nchen na why ne sa
meyo o na se meyo bi de o mama ye me no meyo the same thing. Do you believe in tit for tat?
I believe in karma.
You wait for karma to deal with the person?
Yes.
Hey,
yeah.
The bender.
Ebeba. Ain't free woho. Ebeba. Tit for tat there. That means one person nipa na oh yes sir.
Oh, they are temo shown.
Yeah, and then that is too emotionally draining. It's leave it in the hands of God. Share.
What if the person changes his mind in the end? That's a karma na efana ho.
That's the thing, no, even if you change, we'll be happy that you've changed, but now, any dear. Kakra found. Maybe I see sanity.
AJ, do you believe in tit for tat?
For a point. But karma, no,
You live
really
it.
works.
Sound.
Yeah. Because we hear me, baby, it goes back.
To
Nah,
you.
yeah.
And now, baby.
I'll get hurt. Maybe I'll cry about it, I'll talk about it. But the whole year, you know, I cry about it.
You cry. Did you say you cry?
Yes, I did be where I hit to that call. Bema, it's a Bema and so, but I will share them out to me soon. Sometimes.
Oh. And
I say we do.
You also cry. Dear, she don't the guys also. How do you see the movie industry?
I think we can do better. Like everything else in Ghana, it can be better. But I know that there are people who are serious about the craft, because I'm one, and we are striving to make things better. So,
the directors, are they doing better? Are they picking the right characters for the movies they are writing?
I know besides something on I know that there are serious ones who know what they want and then make sure they get the job done. Of course, there are ones who can do better, but yeah.
Because to me, her movie be now heard they will be here to say, Brandon, they were pegging because the new person can role will play. On to me, what could you say to be someone who said, role they mean deserve it, but for their man because me off it?
Media says I see it as a main count, Felicia.
Okay, my done no. Say, who could do set to be so? Who could do set to be so? What to me says, role they men and cost me play, but for their more before from.
Darby, me who beside that?
You deserve an Osaka.
Yeah. Because I deserve it. And see, if you think you deserve better, just keep working harder. That's it.
Do you think looks accepts people roles?
Yeah, it's TV. And that's one thing we need to take into consideration. No one wants to put on TV now who, you know, Obi and say motor accident. Always flip it channel, no, do you get it? Yes. And you are here, let's be frank. There's pretty you know, there's this way they call it. You're here also because of your looks. Do you get it? As an entertainer, your looks play a huge role. Your image. Let's not hate on somebody for their looks.
Exactly. Do you agree, say, yeah, you are more they are always witches or bonsas about some movies. Do you agree to that?
And even Ushakra, Akasia phone, they are always playing comedic roles. It's just the way entertainment is.
Do you think they deserve that?
But they get a role. So role no nya say me minya. Why am I not hating on them? So okay, me press some role. And see, everybody should just take their fate.
AJ. AJ.
Why did you laugh it?
Because I was say we are setting the fate. AJ also believe he say, "Oh my, don't place as abon some service very fun." Hi, Onua 95.1. We are live on Facebook. AJ, who believe he say you're nice because obu honoma obepe say, "Ankoni John do me lo buka coffee woman no." Obepe say, "Oni calibers kwa kwa share there say there be." Oh yes, as abon sam. You
Question of something. I would say sometimes even when you watch their movies, like everybody wants to see the main actor or actress. I be like, hey, in the Calibus name, Ahuofe Patri, oh, happy ending. Okay. But when you see those who act the funny way, it's like there's something weird about the person, like, and that drives us to laugh. And so she has a point. But I've seen beautiful people acting as witches actually too. But
they are not witches. They are men. Beautiful people in movies.
I'm trying to be nice.
The dark ones like me, we are the witches.
Okay, but who say in a movie you probably end up kissing John DeMello or my G.
They don't let me kiss him.
Really?
They don't let me.
Oh boy.
They will let me serve waitress, and maybe he will push me and things will fall down, and they will let me kiss the man. Yes, I'm a mama fan and one baby. Someone never put you. This so they are not fair.
Not at all.
Me who say Yvonne Nelson. Sa cry before that. Or baby funny beer. A sikadro movie beer, she's getting money.
Yeah.
But funny is for them.
I've not even seen you act any role like that before.
So the San Patricia movie. I'm from a mad woman in a movie. It doesn't work like that.
But I can do that.
They won't let you do. Oh, but I'm crying. The end, they better one so. But I know they bet me about that one movie next year. Hey, I'm off you. I'm off you. I'm off you. When you first saw it, but maybe before.
Yeah.
Or mom often they get opportunities.
Yeah. There's pretty privilege.
Yes.
Yes.
And I think I understand why but mom when you they are mostly angry. You have anger issues.
Very. And attitude problems.
I think it's inferiority complex.
It is.
Me
You
what?
know, you get what I mean.
Wait, me try me
no,
what?
no, no.
Kai. Inferiority complex. Me say then I may use the word the correct pa obi abone say mama me.
Yeah.
Na ye chia patapa. What to say? But don't so in a real in real life.
Yeah.
Yenya oba bia bibi sada wo. Ema we have an opportunity wa sanyoma no ho. Say so oba we ni hu pa industry no bia je na tum say we die. Say the obi aje patapa tum say patapa die. Oniko.
Sani aje patapa tu.
Me bo patapa no ya. Patricia, I think you've really pushed yourself in the movie industry. What push you ho brand ho? E dey ntia.
I mean, who ye you maybe I was say who now say now per se and how you want it to be in the end. Like I mentioned, till casket as an entertainer, dear. Unless you probably, you cover by chance and you stop doing your work. So it all goes into how you take care of yourself, your image, how people see you, everything. If you really do have plans of doing it for a long time, that's all. You need to take all those things into consideration.
Yeah. So, what new movie and cover day?
Well, either a lawyer or a fashion designer. Actually, I'm still pursuing fashion design.
Yes, so. Video. I saw you in a video.
Yeah, so either that or a lawyer. Yeah. What about you?
Me say, she say me business administration.
Okay.
And she say me Adwuma me I think say me realo.
Oh, nice.
Because me person me defend a man now to me nkasa mo no. A lot of men are facing domestic violence. They can't cry.
That's true.
They don't have a voice.
That's true.
And I think they are being cheated.
That's true. I agree with you.
Yes. Yeah. AJ, come on to you one
My mom wants me to be a doctor, but I'm reading BSc Ed Science. So I would either be a minor or enter into the oil firm.
Oh, really? Oil. And what happens to your music career?
I want to be a musician. That's what I'm pursuing.
And you know what mine is one, I bet to me.
So it's passion. Okay. And education, so it's a lifetime.
Exactly.
And you know, I'm doing. I could, if I have the strength, I could do both. Actually.
I mean, shaso.
Amen.
Obi a person ye bibi. I just say obi a in the so ni homano. Obi in the so ni homano so obi a o shada kam.
Yeah.
You want kwan kwa de. Everything is possible.
Yeah.
Because obi what to say the person or ye juma be for and nyina so successful. And today na opportunity na o limit ho. Me kwa me dream say the sky shouldn't be the limit. You wait to me a step higher.
Oh, bro, for now, papa.
Share na man dey jai. I didn't come here to play. AJ, uno person no be a collaboration. That's why collaborations be that inyam babonting.
Minyanya collaboration.
Ade.
I brought a new single which will be by JK.
Yes.
Which are next ones are coming, which are serious. Any artist who hear my song will be like, Charlie, the guy is good. I want to hop on the song. I'll be really glad to work with that person.
Have you tried reaching out to them?
And
I wouldn't have Kokodrosa. You think they'll reject you? Are you afraid of rejection?
I was, but not again. At first I had that things that okay, so feel. So I had that fear, but I overcame that through a friend. So now I don't have that thing again. And music is a profession. And you know, the kind of artists that make on I should make sure that Nyuma wote a say, oh damn, I want to hop on that song. And then you'll be answer keke na me beko. And sometimes about relationship and connections. Until say me who Ahuofe Patri, she's taking me as I understand relationship. But once I want to do this for you, I said, then let's do it. Then instead of paying me be like 10,000 cedis, it will reduce.
It will reduce.
Yeah.
Would you befriend somebody because of a benefit you are looking for?
Yes, I will.
That's all your opportunities. Opportunists.
Come again.
Opportunists. What are opportunists?
Until I say obi de ne kwase anepe nyinche. And I may be friendly the background. It's to my gain, and I'm sure the person also gained something from me.
So when you have your friend, what do you want to for?
Oh, I have a lot of friends. Like ideas and but if you are talking in terms of maybe money and those things, that's a limited portion. But if you are making it general, obviously you move to someone you think that because it's not about your first class, it's a phone call.
Okay.
And you need someone to need someone. You understand the alacrities?
Yes. Yes. Felicia, would you befriend somebody because of a benefit you are looking for?
Yes, I will. And as you said, benefits now sometimes a shoulder to even cry on. Send of course, all you'll be a means I'm not going to keep you around. But yeah, I would befriend people because of the relationships and the ideas we share.
And no back cutting off if they are not helping your car.
Quick, without notice. Yeah.
Sir, that's all Jayakadi.
Mean enye ayaka, but meji distance. Sometimes you need space.
To grow.
Yeah. I won't even explain myself. If it's not working, it's not working.
When will be any sign count and vida?
Baby. I should cry this week. I'm saying you.
This you cannot be yaka.
No, space. Yeah, normal.
I thought Uncle Phoebe or more movie. Or more change sign.
Yeah.
Until I said, Sabag no so dry.
Also, you so that you can get bigger ones.
Yes. To this week, incoming.
Watch out.
The Paco would tell you, so one thing in Kabioma, what the little. What the little contact?
All the time. Do you know what gets to me?
No.
I'm sure now you experience it. So you know how you meet people and then they talk to you about work and then they get your number and then the work never happens. And then before you realize they are watching your status and no sure status someone can to watch your status no send you a message. I'll delete your number. You can't watch my status. No.
What for intentions, Papa? You should be clear when you approach me.
Yeah.
And no creme cook. I said last week, we share me say. I say me be mano. Me get a number. Me see no intent and come. And then I do me delete the number. Yeah, me here space.
That's how they are okay. One cut away.
Maybe I can't. I have my meal. Yeah, no matter crowd. When I'm Mr. No one's 3 o'clock, it's me block home. Yeah, because and now who hear me. Also, for all you know, no be walk camp, or be can one. We are they be want to mean you because of Honey Pacono.
No, you don't have to dim your lights because of something.
Yes. Obi how will drain you. Okwa wonya away. The moment I get rid of the Pacono. Someone who's I relieve no
that peace.
Yes. Into see new year moi. Okay, say new list, new way. It really works. It really works.
When you New Year, you can do it every month, sweetheart. Every week.
Every week. You need to get some people off your contact. And now they're on your side, AJ. You don't do that.
Some boys, they Anna, cutting off, but then you. Well, baby was a post, but you won't see.
Okay.
You text, I don't even reply.
Okay.
But then you can't even call me because I won't reach it. Yeah.
Do you keep your exes as friends after you've broken up?
Nope.
I didn't hear.
I saw somewhere that if you can be friends with your ex, that means you never loved him. Because who say if free strangers and your friends, not for the don't know, not for the if you do call them, I can't be friends with you. David.
Really? So no ex bia
Many nya kaya just say Michiana medical no, but I'm not I'm
He's
not
a
going to
stranger.
talk to you, yeah, because I need to move on. And I also want you to move on. I don't wish you the best though. I mean, I want to be the best.
nah show. AJ, do you keep your exes?
The man, I don't bet me cut off simple because I mean, obviously we chase them, but a bit more me keep it as friends.
Oh yeah, then we be 2 more for an hour.
Me, that be-
Keep your more for what?
Hopefully, no, I call WOHO kakra, no, I should say.
Then there's some with your
Ever
mujaya.
far.
So, why are you keeping your ex as a friend?
Because we're friends. And yeah, graduate here. And say I'm party. So we'll come back as friends. A bit as I graduate. You understand?
Wow.
But not every ex.
Not every ex.
Some exes need to be exited.
Sound.
Yeah.
Una ex be that trade yabo wan sana mujaya da na munyina on a peaceful note.
Once we any there were ones that happened when you were younger, and maybe I didn't really end well. Do you get? But I feel like the most important thing is it's ascended. How it ended and phobia.
And phobia. Yeah, no
I
correct.
know.
I see.
It's.
How do you see the current economy?
Babe. Yami woho.
Sir. Nema ekoyi.
I just feel like that nyami na share. So yabe anything.
Ahon keka na wo de koto aba last year no. Nemi Adwuma 2024 all this ahon kan pa koto bi ma na.
Yes, but not for the same person.
Not for the same
Yeah.
person. About try be different.
I'm hoping there'll be some change. Let's try something different, really.
Bi ado koto ma no na wanya. What's a vote?
That's the hard truth.
Yes.
But then I wouldn't feel bad for voting for somebody who didn't get the job done. Do you get it? Yeah, I would like someone else to get a chance. I feel it's about time we give someone else a chance to
Yes.
see. Yeah.
Yes. AJ. Nemi Adwuma 2024 ahon keka na no a ana obeda.
Men that day. But we read through their manifestos. They be ready.
And no na kan maybe sound.
They be ready, but it looks like you get disappointed. Like, where and how, yeah. And then, Banyame wo.
Nyame wo ho. Nyame wo ho.
And some people saying, can be
Debbie. Aha wanya mani. Ghana card issue no. It just seems so mu some ya we. E kwesen.
Still working.
Stubborn Academy.
Oh yeah.
Mine is still working.
It's not working.
It's working.
You are lying.
Oh, it's working.
And that's
Have
stubborn
you
academy.
registered it?
Yeah.
Okay.
You've registered.
But me other sim, I haven't, but it's working.
Aye.
Patch on my number, number,
But I have registered.
Oh, Patricia. So far. Any projects? What try stage play?
Debut.
But then can be a good soul.
I will.
When your office no.
Minyai. I. It's something I've considered. Actually, I'm happy you brought it up.
Yes.
I will consider that.
And what's our year?
What's it?
Because our talent no. And I be so be a baby the way be no show.
So baby she.
Hey, me jinem.
Ah.
Me jinem din. Now why is about to kakra so?
There be Felicia no dear and come from.
And come asaswe come to me at show.
Felicia me say me yes you. On quad.
Masano. What's a damn man who when you
It's an answer calculated.
Oh, Miss One, it was starting from
It's all stopping video.
Let's say they won't try.
Davi, and then you too.
You too. But see need dear.
Me wom, you be trust.
You want to go foreign?
Yes.
Adwuma.
Yes, that's the prayer, the hope. Yeah, break boundaries. I think it's even about time. Sir.
Yes.
Yeah.
but bibi I am real.
Yeah.
If I ever drink say I'm race and then memory no. Our time is not God's time. Hey, na dey me just
say.
Our time is not God's time. Hey, we could say why just like that. AJ, any upcoming projects?
Yeah. Very soon I'll be releasing another single.
Okay.
Yes.
Into the bang date number.
It's very drop and
Never dropping.
drop here for baby.
Bro, yeah, shows WOHO.
I'm yadom.
And see me at my show the better to and I say a social media platform so I be home flyers
Yeah.
in it.
Yeah. Some of them are pending, coming.
Pending.
Some of them
Management go so di home juma.
I'm yadom.
And if our social media handles are to join and you to me follow and you patronize what I say.
AJ Tunes.
AJ
Baby, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, Facebook. Then all distribution platforms. Or type AJ Tunes. And I will be by JK.
Biba JK.
Be home or Brandon.
Brandon.
You know, the last time I saw you in a public car, na nose marks, shame me na chese. And to me, who and I'm saying, come on. Why am I wasting my life like that? I have to remove the nose marks. Even she's in the car with me, she's so comfortable. And then I could smell your perfume. That was weird. But then you were so comfortable, and I'm saying, me ha me ho abrabomo. I'm like,
the home person now
Exactly. It goes with my song actually. It was like,
Brandon. Oh, yummy shout.
yeah.
Into all social media platforms, AJ Tunes.
Yeah, AJ Tunes.
AJ Tunes. No, I shall mind some person be home.
Me person be
Offer it.
because hey. Boy,
For
no,
trotro.
trotro.
Oh.
It's me Danny me na me I'm sorry. It's me texting my manager real quick. No, I say, oh yeah. Now, I'm saying Mr. Nose must see.
Honestly, sometimes I never ferry into once I be her baby I want no environment and share that in Koye and then someone will
Sentinel.
see you and then say that let's take a picture and you really your image counts.
Exactly.
And you really would not want to be seen in a picture in such a background. Sometimes and yes I will ferry you, but you know you're just preserving yourself.
And obi okwa otwa won kan kire.
Yeah.
Ebu ha wo num so, obi ha wo pepa woni
Yeah.
mu ye bibi on kan watwa wo.
Yeah.
Into no smart na to da eboa.
Even the car was really, really good, but still number 7 per se.
Okay.
I tell you.
Felicia.
Felicia.
Social media handles.
So, Instagram, Facebook, it's Adwuma Adwuma. On TikTok, it's Ahuofe Patri. So come check my TikTok out, guys.
What I say? She's doing some transitions. You'd love it. She's actually good transitions. Oh, master me. Hey.
Thank you.
Final words for your listeners.
Thank you guys so much for listening. Thank you, Felicia. I'm honored to be here.
Oh, thank you for coming.
And thank you, everybody here. Yeah, hopefully you hear from us soon.
Yes. AJ, I feel come back to your biome.
So thank you, Felicia. Thank you, everybody.
Final words for listeners, AJ.
Guys, thank you for supporting my music, and it's been really good when you drop a song and everybody wants to hey, the song is good. Everybody wants to listen to the song. Thank you so much. I appreciate the love. Keep loving me like you do, and we'll be bringing good music all the time. Love you all so much.
Thank you so much for coming. I mean, Shamu, you know, I see a toy and safremo. Oh, bye. Yeah. So, 1 month, your power jowl. Ayo 95.1 Adwuma Adwuma. And any press la opoko adwuma and AJ Tunes and have a conversation. O call your Facebook albums that ho na also akofwe bi no leave comment nice. At hama ye. Me am di dwuma de ebro my friend Felicia Osei. Ahofefo nyina class prefect. O serious boy and serious girlfriend. Your boyfriend's crush, your girlfriend's wanna be. Mini GH boy. Nana Kwame Jan. Same. Don Rich. And I support you and Eddie Jumedi Abraham. Yamin shall be biara. Have a beautiful weekend. Miss Rama news for no. At the 12 o'clock news Abraham. Yamin had much and I be shabium. The Santino Munina. Bye bye.